Yeah, good morning to my students and to my listener outside there. Today I want to continue from where I stopped yesterday with you for the benefit of those that are not there yesterday can actually take the advantage to watch this online. Yesterday we talked about introduction to science to especially some of my students that are just promoting to just got promoted to SS1. And when we look at the level of deterioration of science in the country, it is something that is battling every serious mind, owing to the importance of science and technology in our society. Yesterday I talked about the introduction to science and what actually is science. Science is is the body of knowledge that has to do with that help in the explanation of nature and universe in general. So science and technology are interlinked, they are interdisciplinary, they are interwoven because technology is the application of scientific knowledge to solve some of the human problem, to solve human problem. Now, it means that science predicts technology. It is as a result of scientific research that led to the discovery, that led to the building of technology, which we can actually apply in solving daily problem. Then also, I talked about if you actually want to be a scientist, what are the features, what are the characteristics you must possess in order to become a versatile scientist. Yesterday I mentioned being inquisitive. Being inquisitive is ability to ask questions, not to settle. You must be interested in knowing, ability to ask questions, asking why, asking why. And I gave example of some of the scientific theories and principles that has been discovered ever since 19th century was as a result of the fact that scientists don't settle. They actually want to get meaning to nature. They want to get answer to some of the natural phenomena. So scientists must be highly inquisitive, have interest in knowing and asking questions about natural phenomena and any thing at all. This is very important. Also, I mentioned yesterday that scientific must be observant. Observation is one of the key skills of scientists, and we actually demonstrated little experiment on how to read mercury in glass thermometer. Yesterday we did that. So you must be able to observe, you must be observant, especially within your immediate environment, ability to observe nature, ability to observe changes, causes and effects of natural phenomena is very important. So being observant is one of the key skills that a young mind must develop in order to become a versatile scientist in the future. I've mentioned that. Also, I mentioned about ability to carry out research. You must be interested in studying. You must love seeking knowledge. You must be very, very versatile. You must be passionate about seeking knowledge. So this is very important. So you must not be tired of research. So being a scientist, being a versatile scientist, an effective scientist entails that you must actually focus on research. This is very important. Then also I mentioned you must be mathematically inclined because mathematics is a tool for scientists. We use mathematics to analyze things. We use mathematics to predict the future. We use mathematics to carry out hypotheses. So for you to become a versatile scientist, you must love mathematics and you must be very well, you must be acquainted with mathematics and mathematically inclined. This is very, very important. And also I mentioned lastly that you must be very dynamic. A scientist must be very dynamic because research in science are tentative. Because you cannot actually say when you research on a natural phenomenon or on something that you can say that is the final answer. Where you stop, other people will carry out from there. That is why research in science is very, very tentative, and because of this, scientists must be very dynamic. So this is where I stopped yesterday. For those that are not in class, can actually watch this and benefit, and those that are in class also can use this as a revision. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.